Welcome back to ST Reviews Hub, your go-to place for the most in-depth and honest motorhome reviews. Today, we're diving into a truly extraordinary vehicle that has been turning heads all over the world, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece on wheels. For those who dream of traveling in ultimate comfort, luxury, and style, the Maybach Motorhome promises to be the perfect companion. So, let's get right into it and explore what makes this model stand out. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome sets a new standard in the luxury motorhome market. The sleek aerodynamic design isn't just about looks, it's engineered for efficiency and stability on the road. The signature Maybach grille instantly tells you this isn't your average RV. The chrome accents, sculpted body lines, and seamless integration of the side panels give it a premium, almost futuristic presence. LED lighting runs along the edges for both aesthetics and safety, creating a striking visual at night. The 22-inch alloy wheels complete the look, and the retractable awnings blend into the bodywork so well you barely notice them until they extend with the push of a button. This motorhome stretches nearly 40 feet long, offering a commanding road presence without feeling overly bulky, thanks to its clever proportions. Mercedes engineers have also paid attention to practicality, with large panoramic windows for stunning outside views and an automatic leveling system for stability when parked. It's clear that from the outside, this motorhome combines beauty and function effortlessly. Stepping inside is like entering a five-star hotel on wheels. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome interior screams luxury at every corner. As soon as the automatic door slides open, you're greeted by soft ambient lighting and a handcrafted interior featuring fine leather, real wood veneers, and polished metal finishes. The living area includes a full-size sofa set with heating and massage functions, positioned opposite a 60-inch 4K smart TV that rises from a concealed panel. Surround sound speakers are integrated seamlessly into the ceiling for a home theater experience wherever you park. The kitchen area is equally impressive, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee machine. The countertops are made of quartz, and there's ample storage cleverly hidden throughout the space. Moving further back, you find the master bedroom featuring a king-size bed with memory foam mattresses, automatic climate control, and blackout shades for perfect sleep conditions. There's also a spacious wardrobe, complete with lighting and mirrors, making it easy to store everything you need for long journeys. The bathroom rivals that of luxury apartments, offering a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, heated flooring, and a smart mirror with built-in lighting and weather updates. Everything about this interior is designed to make you forget you're in a motorhome and not in a luxury suite. Now let's talk about performance. Because a motorhome this big needs power to match its luxury. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is powered by a 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo hybrid engine producing an impressive 503 horsepower. Despite its size, the hybrid system improves fuel efficiency significantly compared to older models, while also reducing emissions. On highways, the ride feels incredibly smooth thanks to the advanced Airmatic suspension system, which adapts to road conditions in real time. The 9-speed automatic transmission delivers power seamlessly, and for those worried about handling such a large vehicle, Mercedes has packed in driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and even automated parking assistance for tight spots. With a top speed of around 110 miles per hour, not that you'll need it, it performs more like a luxury SUV than a traditional motorhome. Noise insulation has been perfected so well that even at highway speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet, allowing you to relax, enjoy conversations, or simply listen to music without the constant drone of the engine or wind noise. Finally, the big question: how much will this dream on wheels cost you? The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome starts at a base price of around $450,000. However, with all customization options, including upgraded interiors, solar roof panels, and advanced entertainment systems, the fully loaded version can easily cross the $600,000 mark. While this price puts it in the super luxury category, it's aimed at those who want the ultimate road trip experience without compromising on comfort, style, or technology. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is a game changer in every sense. From its stunning exterior design to the luxurious interior and powerful yet efficient performance, it redefines what we can expect from a motorhome. For those who can afford it, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade, promising adventures without leaving behind the comforts of home.